Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of text-to-speech on ChatGPT. Are you ready to learn how to make ChatGPT speak? Let's begin. To use text-to-speech on ChatGPT, we'll first need to install a Chrome extension. Open up Google and search for talk-to-chatgpt. Look for the Chrome extension called talk-to-chatgpt and click Add to Chrome. Once it's added, click Add Extension to finalize the installation. Now head back to the ChatGPT website and refresh the page. At the top right hand corner, you'll see a button that says Talk to ChatGPT. Click Start to begin. You'll be prompted to allow microphone access. Make sure to grant the permission so that ChatGPT can hear you. Next, you can head back and ask a question. For example, I'll say, "Hi ChatGPT, can you tell me what you are?" Remember to speak clearly and pronounce your words to ensure accurate transcription. Keep in mind that the system can be sensitive to pronunciation, so make sure to speak clearly. In my example, it misinterpreted ChatGPT, so clearly is key. Once you've asked your question, ChatGPT will respond in a robotic voice with the answer. Unfortunately, I've edited the sound so you won't hear it in this video, but trust me, it will speak back to you. And that's how you use text-to-speech on ChatGPT. It's a handy tool for listening to responses and engaging in different ways. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below where I'm happy to get back to you. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring the world of text-to-speech with ChatGPT. Until next time, stay awesome.